Hello, Dr. Binti, finally with us. So good to see
Yes.
you.
Hi, Shohit. How are you?
I'm good. I hope you've been seeing my conversation with all our users. I'm
Yes.
just trying to have a chit chat with them.
Yes.
This is an uncertain time, but we want everyone to be happy, keep smiling, be fit as well. Thank you again for
Absolutely.
joining us. Now, a quick introduction about Dr. Binti. I have to literally read it. It's so long. She
Oh
is a
my God.
dentist. She's an health expert. She's a wellness consultant. She's an awesome mom, and she's also the founder of Be Postic. So now, Dr.
Wow.
Vinti, you've done so much, right? Please take us through this journey. Tell the audience how you reached to Be Postic. Tell them how you reached that destination.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for having me over. And you are doing a great job. I've been following few of your sessions, and they're so informative. And reaching out to a common man at these testing times is so
Right.
important. People need to
Absolutely.
be connected. They
True.
need to know from someone like them कि हाँ सब
Right.
ठीक है. They need that good, thankful. Everyone is in the same boat right now, and we all want to know that yes, we are not alone. एंड आपने मेरा जो इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है वो एग्जैक्टली exactly वैसा ही है जैसे आपने बोला है. सो आई एम अ डेंटिस्ट and I've always been very passionate about health and fitness, and that led me to do my master's in
Right.
alternative medicine.
Right.
So I was practicing as a dentist very comfortably. I did my research in All India Institute of Medical Sciences for 7 years. I was there, and on oral cancers. So after that, mujhe, the two pregnancies happened, and with kids, you have to take a sabbatical. And that was
Right.
the time, I was working more on my fitness and health. And one thing is there, like, I can't do diets. Honestly, I can't do diets. मुझे भूखा नहीं रख सकते आप. I have to eat. I'm a born Punjabi and married to a Sindhi.
Right.
So I mean, both the communities are really fond of their food.
Big
So
foodie
खाना तो मुझे
community.
खाना है, and but ऐसा खाना है कि वो मुझे healthy भी रखे, and I wanted to be at the top of my game. So for
Right.
that, I needed to study, and that's the force, that pushing force for me to study my masters. And up health wellness is my full time passion. Once again, I'm trying to help patients find out the best plan for them, that fits into their lifestyle and gives them their optimum health benefits. That
Right.
includes their nutrition, that includes their exercise, and a few lifestyle changes that they can very easily incorporate in their daily lives and get benefit.
Right.
So that's about me. Yeah.
Very, very, very well said, Dr. Binti. So now tell me, I understand this. You very briefly told us from our big dentist tea, and from there what you did, and post that how you started this. Was there any kind of inner motivation, which I would call के आप खड़े हो गए एकदम से कि यार मेरे को बी पौष्टिक करना है. There's something that made you push. Like आप कहते हैं ना, जैसे every person जो हमारे listeners भी सुन रहे हैं, a lot of times we are not able to do our tasks. As simple as हमें दिन में 10 minutes exercise करनी है, बस बोलना है but हम execute नहीं करेंगे. We will not stand up, we will not move our body, right? So ऐसे ही simply आपके लिए भी ये बी पौष्टिक start करना है, इतना उसे successful करना. What was the push?
पुश यही था कि मुझे अपने आप को फिट देखना है, मुझे हेल्दी देखना है. आई हैव अ फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर, डायबिटीज, कार्डियक प्रॉब्लम्स, ओबेसिटी. It's running in my family.
Right.
So being a doctor myself, I needed to see like what's the best I can do for myself. And once I am fit, I know I can take care of my kids in a better way and my family. Only if I have it in me can I guide others. So Be
Right.
Postic basically happened when I was finding out more and more new healthy recipes for myself. So Be Postic, the name, the Postic, as you
Right.
understand, means healthy, nutrition. तो start वैसे हुआ, लेकिन मुझे खुद को healthy बनाना था, इसलिए I'm in this. As
Right.
simple as that. Yeah.
As simple as that. So you had to make yourself healthy. You took the
Absolutely.
initiative. आप चाहते थे कि और भी लोग ये अप्लाई करें अपनी लाइफ में. Superb initiative.
Absolutely.
Now, you have often, when I've seen your page, right, and even when we spoke, right, you've always
Right.
spoken about the kind of relevance a parent has in their kid's life in terms of the little habits that they pick from their parents, right?
Very
So if
true.
you can
Very true.
just go on 3 key pointers to keep in mind when you're
Mm-hmm.
raising kids, from the perspective of health, from the perspective of the kind of actions that they do, because everything translates into their mood, behavior to do physical exercises, what I understand.
See, Shoaib, these are like difficult times, these are trying times, unpredictable times. ऐसा हम में से किसी ने भी सोचा भी नहीं था कि we'll be going through such, scenario. Ab, kids are stuck at home. Since March, there's been lockdown and they're like caged birds right now. Okay. They are so full of energy. इतनी physical
Right.
energy pent up है कि उसको निकालना बहुत जरूरी है, वो channelize करना बहुत जरूरी है. So मेरे घर में ये rule है कि physical fitness comes first. So my daughter, she's 11, okay, and she works out with me and my husband in the morning.
Right.
Matlab, before we take out our yoga mats out, she has hers out. I mean, she laid down for us also. Ki, come
Right.
on, it's workout time. Physical exercise की importance उनके लिए जरूरी है. वो उन्होंने हमें भी करते देखा है. Mom, dad, they don't miss their gym. Mom, dad, they
Right.
go for walks. So you have to lead by example.
Lead by
Okay,
example,
that's the
yes.
first thing. आप खुद करोगे, and अभी तो see, it's 4 of us at home. What they see is going to leave a lasting impression. And if they see us being serious about our health, fitness, of course they're going to follow. One thing. Second thing, what I have learned during this lockdown all the more is kids work better on routines.
Routine very well.
Set
Yes. Very
a
well said.
routine, set a basic, like rough structure होना चाहिए. Not that आप घर पे हो तो you are getting up at 12 o'clock and you're sleeping late at night at 3 or 4. My son is 14, so you understand it's a teenage, even
Absolutely.
11-year-old is a teenager. So to understand that and to set in some rules and routines helps them as well. तो बेसिक एक रूटीन होना चाहिए कि हाँ इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक उठकर ब्रेकफास्ट कर कर तैयार होकर थोड़ी देर पढ़ाई करनी है. देन यू हैव योर प्ले टाइम. यू हैव टू गिव देम देयर स्पेस. बहुत जरूरी है आजकल. आई नो एंड आई एम श्योर मेनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स हु आर वाचिंग दिस विल अग्री विद मी. द काइंड ऑफ स्क्रीन टाइम किड्स आर हैविंग राइट नाउ, it needs to be monitored, it needs to be supervised.
True.
Studies
Very
भी
well.
सारी ऑनलाइन है, सारे सबमिशंस, वर्क रिलेटेड, एवरीथिंग, इवन कम्युनिकेटिंग विद फ्रेंड्स, वो भी सब ऑनलाइन ही करना है. So screen time definitely needs to be monitored.
Right. Screen time to be monitored, to set a routine. Two very important points, two very critical points for the parents, for the brothers and sisters जिनके younger हैं siblings. अभी ये बहुत important point डॉक्टर ने बोला है, जो एक routine बना के रखी है, and kids always look up to you. So जितने लोग भी आप देख रहे हैं, अगर आप अपना example set नहीं करेंगे, kids will behave like you.
Of
So
course.
a very good point said by you. Now, now comes with kids comes good food, interesting food, and as kids are locked in, they are craving pasta, they are craving Chinese, they are craving all kinds of tasty stuff. So 5-step approach, if you can give us a 5-step approach to maintaining the diet with current lifestyle, जो आजकल का ये कोविड चल रहा है उससे रिलेटेड.
Right. See, 5-step lifestyle changes जो मैं अपने घर में ध्यान रख रही हूँ, उसमें फर्स्ट कम्स लाइक माइंडफुल ईटिंग, न्यूट्रिशन. ठीक है, खाना है, हर तरह का खाना है. मेरे घर में टाइम सेट है, एज इन आफ्टरनून में एक ह्यूज सैलेड खाना ही खाना है. किड्स हैव स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग दीज थिंग्स नाउ. और आदत तो हमें ही डालनी है उनको. ठीक है, खुद खाएंगे वही खिलाएंगे तो वो खाएंगे. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर ईटिंग समथिंग एल्स, serving them something else.
Right.
I have a time set for fruit. Okay. We don't eat fruits in evening and night. We have our time set for fruits. Everyone knows, and even Ayurveda suggests that if you eat your food empty stomach, it's best absorbed. The nutrients are best
Right.
absorbed by your body. So fruit time has always been like 1 hour before lunch, 1 to 1.5 hour before lunch. जब breakfast किए हुए भी time हो गया है और अभी lunch में time है. So
Right.
that time we have our fruit. So these are certain necessary things जो in place रखी हुई है मैंने घर में. First thing nutrition, उसमें आपको 2 to 3 types of fruit खाना है. ठीक है,
Right.
अगर आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग बनाना खा रहे हो तो लंच में यू कैन हैव योर मेलन्स, मस्क मेलन है, वाटरमेलन है, पपाया है, देन ग्रेप्स आर देयर, अभी लीची इज देयर सीजनल, वो खाना है. तो ये फ्रूट हो गया. रॉ वेजिटेबल्स जिसके अंदर टमेटो, क्यूकम्बर, कैरेट, बीटरूट, ये मेरा मैंडेटरी लंच में कटता है और हम सब खाते हैं. ठीक है, इफ आई गेट अ गुड लेट्यूस आई एड दैट एज वेल. थोड़ा सा टेस्ट चेंज करके एंड यू नो मेक इट पैलेटेबल फॉर किड्स. आप बेसिक रॉ खा रहे हैं, खाएं. उनके लिए किसी तरह की ड्रेसिंग डालना चाहें, नॉट क्रीमी ड्रेसिंग्स, सिंपल ड्रेसिंग्स. और अगर आप उन्हें भी रॉ खाने को कहते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द किड्स अडैप्ट. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट, इट हैज टू बी द एफर्ट फ्रॉम योर साइड. उनको ऐसा खाने को आप कहें तो सही, नॉट एंड यू नो 2 to 3 days, give them time. Like my kids don't like beetroot. Okay, they get a slice of beetroot every day. Till the time I start with 2 slices of beetroot. Because I know they take half a cucumber, 1 carrot and half a tomato. तो साथ में beetroot, बीच में I slip it. कि वो तो खाना है. They don't even notice it now. You get it? So ये न्यूट्रिशन हो गया. सेकेंड पॉइंट मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज का बताया है. अब थोड़ा लॉकडाउन रिलीव हुआ है तो आई हैव अलाउड देम टू गो टू द पार्क. सो पार्क में जा सकते हैं, नहीं तो घर में ही वी क्रिएट अ स्पेस, या फिर पार्किंग लॉट में दे प्ले लाइक फुटबॉल और दे डू साइकिलिंग एंड इवनिंग वॉक के लिए जा सकते हैं. किसी तरह की फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करानी है. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर किड्स, for their overall health development. ये lockdown over हो जाएगा and we'll be ending up with like lots of obese kids with lots of, you know, obesity related problems.
True.
So we don't want that. We want our kids to be happy, healthy kids, right? Then another important thing I try and teach them is gratitude. हमें अपने लिए भी करना चाहिए, लोगों के लिए भी करना चाहिए, और उनको ये जो एक बहुत important feeling of gratitude समझाना है. This is the right time to do that. So I'm working on that as well. बच्चों की एज पे डिपेंड करता है. अब my kids are old enough, they can download the apps on their own and everything. They are trying to practice breathing, you know, simple pranayams, which are like really simple breathing techniques.
Right.
Try and instill these habits now. I mean, this is the right time, and they are so open to it because they have time and they are going to listen to you. So please try at your end, थोड़ा थोड़ा ये सब चीजें उनके लाइफस्टाइल में आप ऐड करिए. That's very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
And as you said that the whole concept हमें try करना है. I know kids will feel caged, right? And no matter how much different kinds of food you give them, try to adjust their palate. Try उनको adjust कराओ, slip in करो healthy food so that kids when they come out of it are healthy, are fine completely. Great point. Now, Dr. Binti, I want to ask you another one small thing that I missed about you is you've also won the Miss India International.
Mrs.
India International. So
Yeah.
tell us about that. I mean, how from there was B Poshtik post that? Before that, was that the reason that you started?
It was during that. See, I was turning 40 that year, and I wanted to, you know, give myself something I'll remember throughout my life. So it was just basically I wanted to try the auditions, and auditions clear ho gaye, and I was selected, and I was like, okay, yippee, ab to karna hi padega, jana hi padega. So we went to Greece, and it was a fantastic experience, and really, matlab 40 years of life mein I got to experience things jo maine sochi bhi nahi thi, and it was a very good learning experience. और during that time मेरा masters भी खत्म हुआ था, and we were in a process of shifting houses and our workplace. So instead of our 2 dental clinics, we ended up having 1. So at that time I had like plenty of time at my hands. So उस समय मैंने अपनी masters भी complete करी, उसके बारे में पढ़ाई भी करी, and I started with B Poshtik during that time. And that's how I started.
That's how the journey
Yeah.
started. Right.
Yep.
Perfect. Great advice to everyone who's watching this. There's no age that you can't start something, you can't
Absolutely.
experience something. Go for it.
Every woman has this, dream of putting that crown on her head, किसी भी age में. And it's just not the physical crown. It's just like you do so much for your family throughout your life. You deserve to be crowned, okay, for anything. So do it for yourself. And if I can try it, I can dream about it, so can you.
Right.
Please.
Very true. Very, very well said. And I think we've all got women in our lives, our mothers, our sisters, our friends, our girlfriends, our wives, who do
Absolutely.
so much, right? And all of you deserve that. All the women who are watching this, there's no age to start. Go for your dreams, run for it. And now, Dr. Binti, one question is, if you can share one easy recipe with our users right now, which are basically foods that can be munched anytime. So if you can tell a little on that.
Okay. So Shohit, I keep experimenting. Okay. And my kids are my guinea pigs most of the time. So as you rightly said, they want their pastas, they want their pizzas. So it's not that it's banned in my house. Kids are allowed to order like once in 2 weeks, and they are very happy with that, One Saturday night every 2 weeks. They look forward to that time. Okay, आज क्या मंगाना है? And with lockdown and all, of course, वो अभी बंद है. But I prepare pizza at home. I prepare pasta at home. When you want to give your kids the best of both the worlds, you go and try various combinations. Okay. So at one point of time, I'll share a story. I wanted to try this. They love their white pasta.
Right.
So it's like loaded with cream and butter and maida, and it's something I really don't like, but kids have that kind of taste. So I just tried let me try wheat flour. Okay, wheat flour instead of maida. So I ended up making that white sauce, which turned out to be brown, obviously, because I had used atta. And my kids, till date, this happened like 5 years back, I'm talking, when I was in, real mood ki ab kya naya experiment kar sakti hu. And they till date tease me, Mom, brown pasta mat banana. Because it was inedible. Honestly, I had to throw the entire thing. I was like, ye maine kya bana diya? Because I couldn't taste it. It was so bad. How can I tell my kids to have it? So you keep experimenting with things, and now itna kuch hai market mein available. Like pasta bhi hai, so you get semolina pasta. That's like suji pasta, which is so much better in nutrition than your maida. So you can try that. Like we have switched over to soba noodles now. These are like buckwheat noodles made of buckwheat instead of maida. So again, they're much healthier, high in protein, have good satiety. Sachet, you feel full having it, and of course, I put like loads of vegetables when I'm preparing such kind of things. It's I enjoy putting vegetables, and I'm so glad my kids are not picky eaters. They don't take out that capsicum and that beans out of their pizzas and noodles. They want it loaded with veggies. So आप आदत डालो और वो खाएंगे. Make it tasty.
Very well said.
अभी एक छोटी सी आपको मैं अगर snacks की recipe I wanted to share. We all know about makhana, our Indian makhana. It's the fox nut.
Yes.
It's so high in nutrition. इसमें carbohydrates है, अच्छा, इसमें fat नहीं है, अच्छा protein है और खूब सारा fiber है. And it's something very bland in taste, honestly. इसको लेकिन if we just roast it in, I'll tell you the entire method. 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter, as you like it. 1 teaspoon कितना होता है? It's hardly anything. So you roast your makhanas in that, like a cup of makhana, and once you're done with it, like roast it properly. It will take like 7-8 minutes, and then put it outside. And now in the same pan, you can put 1 more teaspoon of ghee or butter, whatever you have used, and then you can play with the seasonings. You can, one day I prepare like piri piri seasoning, one day I prepare like simple kali mirch and chaat masala seasoning. One day I just put Italian seasoning in it, and you can play around with the seasonings. Just put that in that ghee and just lightly saute it. Don't burn it. and then
Right.
put the roasted makhanas back in it. Move it a little bit and बस बंद कर दीजिए गैस and इसको फिर ठंडा करने के लिए रख दीजिए. It turns out to be crunchy and your kids will not reach out for that bag of chips. Honestly, we have stopped getting chips in our house. This is one recipe, I mean, that's a hit. Please do try it. It's a very simple 5-10 minutes thing and you'll end up having a very nutritious snack at your hand. Then you can have roast chana, and I prepare my murmura thing also at home, murmura peanuts. That also turns out to be really good. So these are like very simple things we can
Very
do.
simple. Very simple things, yeah. And
Yeah.
even when you were describing it, I was so like thinking that, this is this thing that we have, just fox nuts, which has become a huge thing now, right? This has been in a household since 20 years, right? It's just that
Imagine.
hame nahi khana, hame ye nahi khana. But now, ever since it's getting packaged and being sold, now everyone wants to go for fox nuts, and it's such a nice recipe. जितने भी लोग हमारे देख रहे हैं, it's a superb food. Try जैसे डॉक्टर बिंती ने अभी ये रेसिपी बताई है, आप इनको डीएम भी कर सकते हैं, आप हमें भी डीएम कर सकते हैं. ये लाइव सेशन भी आईजीटीवी पे होगा, आप वहाँ पे फिर भी सुन सकते हैं ये फिर से पूरा रेसिपी. तो दिस प्लीज डू ट्राई दिस रेसिपी एंड राइट इन टू अस कि आप लोगों का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है.
Do try, and you can always, experiment with the seasonings and do tell us what did you try, and we shall try it as well. You might just have stumbled upon a real tasty recipe.
True,
Yeah,
true.
so do share.
Now, Dr. Binti, you've spoken about how your kids are up aapse pehle and they put down the yoga mats, or you've also spoken on fitness. So, can you tell us any daily form of yoga, some form of meditation that you do, or alternate techniques that you've ingrained in your own life which can help people through the perspective of fitness?
Shohit, I enjoy physical activity, honestly. I'm not a yoga person every day. I'll do my yoga probably once a week or twice a week. Again, I do weights because I was a very regular gym goer, and I believe in lifting weights, and I don't feel manly when I do it, of course. And it's a very good exercise, especially for women over 40. Please try and understand weight से हमारे वो डोले नहीं बन जाते. We get lean and we get a good body shape, a toned body shape. It's very important. Start with lower weights. बिल्कुल हल्के weight से शुरू कीजिए और आप धीरे धीरे ही बढ़ाइए इसे. So Shohit, I do weight training once, then I do HIIT one day. Then I like doing, sometimes just TikTok dance with my daughter. That itself, it's an exercise, another half an hour, 1 hour when you dance, बिल्कुल relax होके. तो I don't follow a basic regime. Yoga के अंदर, but definitely Surya Namaskar is something I swear by. Surya Namaskar, something, everyone should learn to do it.
True.
It's a full body stretch and exercise, and with numerous benefits. I mean, study about it, read about it, you will be amazed. So Surya Namaskar is something, वो तो करना ही करना है. जिस दिन योगा है तो वो तो होना ही होना है. 30, 40, 50 जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ comfortably. और कुछ ऐसा सेट नहीं है. People do 108 Surya Namaskars. I'm yet to reach there. वो करके I try and do rest asanas, which are lying down asanas. So incorporate whatever you feel like doing. One morning I get up and I'm like, no, I'm not feeling up to doing HIIT. So I'll do yoga today. My body is not allowing me. I mean, वो अंदर से आवाज आती है. Once you do it, and recovery का भी time जरूरी है देना. Once a week or twice a week.
Absolutely.
You have to help your body recover. You don't have to punish it, please. उसका ध्यान रखना. हमने उसे punishment नहीं देनी है कि आज तो workout करना पड़ेगा, कैसा भी feel कर रहे. So that's how we do it. We haven't made it a task. We do it as a lifestyle. आज ये करना है, कल ये करना है, तो वो आसानी से होता रहता है. You don't get bored. Obviously.
And what's the right technique to do a Surya Namaskar, if you can tell people? I've seen a lot of variations. Is there a correct technique to do it?
I wish I could have done it and shown you. I'll make a video one day and share that.
Yeah.
I do it like basic 12-part wala variation, which works really well. I mean, that's something I've been doing like ever since. So एक वो body autopilot mode में चली जाती है. जब करने लगो तो one step after the other, one asana after the other, it just smoothly keeps happening. So I'll share my video with you. You can share it for
Absolutely,
me.
absolutely. I will share that video with all our users. The right way to do a Surya Namaskar with Dr.
Surely.
Binti for sure. We're gonna put this out after the live session. So,
Done.
Dr. Binti, tell me your message to moms and dads who are watching this, to all the elder folks who are watching this. What's your message to them?
Message, okay. So we all are learning new things every day. Please be very selective about what you put in your brains, because that's something you'll be reacting accordingly, and your kids and everyone is seeing how you're reacting to the crisis. So
Right.
please be very watchful of that, be careful of that, and let's take one day at a time. What I have
One day.
learned is, yeah, especially during these times, things are so unpredictable. And
True.
आज लॉकडाउन हो रहा है, कल नहीं हो रहा, परसों स्कूल खुल रहे हैं, नहीं खुल रहे. So it's we really don't know कल क्या है. We keep saying life is unpredictable, but ये corona time has actually shown us that how
True.
unpredictable it is for tomorrow. So please take one day at a time, and don't miss on your me time. ये काम सारे चलते रहेंगे, बच्चों का ध्यान भी रखना है, हमें प्रोफेशनल लाइफ का भी रखना है, घर का भी रखना है, बट आपको अपना ध्यान भी रखना है. प्लीज टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ. 1 hour रोज निकालिए. रीड अ
Right.
बुक,
Right.
फॉलो योर पैशन, पेंट करिए, स्केच करिए, कुछ बुक रीड करिए, दिमाग खाली रखिए. Just don't worry about things. Overthinking is not helping anyone, and so I would suggest, please keep your sanity intact and try deep breathing. It really helps, calms you. और उसके लिए वो मेडिटेशन मूड की जरूरत भी नहीं है. ऑनेस्टली आई प्रैक्टिस 7-11 ब्रीदिंग, सिंपल एंड हेल्पफुल.
Right.
इनहेलेशन ऑफ 7 to the count of 7. काउंट करिए मन में 7, so that you are not distracted by any other thing. जब आप गिनती करेंगे 7 तक, आप किसी और चीज के बारे में सोच ही नहीं सकते. आप सिर्फ वो 7 तक गिनती करेंगे.
Right.
Hold your breath and then exhale to the count of 11.
Right.
Inhale, exhale. इस तरह डीप ब्रीदिंग कुछ मिनट तक अगर आप कर सकते हैं, बस ये
Right.
डीप ब्रीदिंग बेली ब्रीदिंग है, जिसके अंदर जब हम इनहेल करते हैं तो हमारी बेली बाहर की ओर आती है, इन्फ्लेट हो
Right.
जाती है, एंड व्हेन वी एक्सहेल तो वी जस्ट काइंड ऑफ फील योर बेली सक्ड इन, एंड
Right.
व्हेन यू डू इट, इट्स रियली हेल्पफुल. आप सुबह उठते ही करिए, रात को सोने से पहले करिए, दिन में परेशान हो रहे हो बच्चों से, किसी भी चीज से, दरवाजा बंद करके अपना आराम से बैठ के डीप ब्रीदिंग करिए, and you will see how fresh you feel.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, Dr. Binti, I know this is my last question. Wish we could do this much longer. I can see some people are telling me also to do Surya Namaskar, but I think for those people they will have to wait a lot of time. So, Dr. Binti, last question is 3 tips to be happy and healthy at this. The perfect combination that everyone wants, happy and healthy. 3 quick tips. I know you've told them a lot of things, but 3 tips that they can take away with them after this session, and they're like, okay, these are the 3 things that Dr. Binti told us.
Okay. So, in the current situation, eat your food mindfully. Please add raw vegetables and raw fruits in your diet. Wash them properly. In fact, Dr. Vedya has certain beautiful products that can help you wash and, chamkaufy your food. So good. I mean, really,
Right.
please do check out their products. Herbo Clean, I think it's called. And
Herbal cleanse,
please,
yes, for fruits and
yes.
veggies. Yes.
Yes. Please clean your veggies properly and incorporate them in your diet. एक आदत बना लीजिए, यही टाइम है इसको, फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स को, इससे आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ेगी. सबको ये इम्यूनिटी इंक्रीजिंग स्पाइसेस के बारे में पता है, वो हम अपनी नॉर्मल कुकिंग में सब यूज करते हैं. टर्मरिक, जिंजर, गार्लिक, सिनेमन, ये सब हमारे खाने में डलता है. सो प्लीज उसको कंटिन्यू रखिए. सो वर्क ऑन योर इम्यूनिटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ फूड. सेकेंड थिंग, डू एक्सरसाइज. टाइम निकालिए अपने लिए प्लीज, ये अभी बहुत जरूरी है. कीप योर बॉडी मूविंग. Increase your NEAT, as we call it, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. I keep telling people about it. Just do your work. कुछ काम करते रहिए दिन भर में. Just don't lie on the couch.
Right.
Keep your movement. वो बहुत जरूरी है. एंड थर्डली, डीप ब्रीदिंग करने की कोशिश करिए. इससे आपका दिमाग शांत रहेगा और आप बहुत सारी चीजें और भी कर पाएंगे, अपने दिन की प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ा पाएंगे.
Right.
I think
I think
have,
these are three fantastic points that have been shared by Dr. Binti here on the session. See what you're eating, right?
Yes.
Be calm, have control over your mind as well, right? And it's very important to take the one day at a time. Live in present, right? That's a great suggestion. Now I have this one question before we end this session that I want to take, Dr. Binti. This is by Rishi Anand, which says how to increase my immunity. Now I know we've touched upon food, we've touched upon the lifestyle changes, we've touched upon how to make sure that kids are following our advices as well. But just if someone's asking how to take care of my immunity, so how would you say?
See, if you don't think that you are having enough of spices, these immunity boosting spices, or via food, if you think something is lacking, you can always depend on good immunity supplements. Again, I would suggest you go through Dr. Vaidya's products. They have excellent products. They are perfectly, they are, I mean, really customized to the point. I have read so much about them and I've started using them also. So please go through their website. Take it from a genuine person. I mean, this is a very good option you have here. And you can always take these supplements. They'll really help you.
Right. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Binti, for joining us. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for coming, taking out your time. To everyone who's watched this session, maybe some of you are tuning in now. You weren't able to tune in. This will go on our IGTV. You can visit Dr. Binti's profile as well, which is Divalicious Doc.
Divalicious Doc. Yeah.
Divalicious Doc. You guys can go on that handle as well. And DM us for anything. Thank you, Mr. Kanchan D. Ahuja, for joining the session. Lovely seeing you. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, Shohit. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure being here, and I wish I could, talk more about it. Yeah. And probably we'll have another session sometime
soon. For sure.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, my name is Arjun Vaidya and I'm the CEO of Dr. Vaidya's. I hope you like what you heard. If you want more content on health and Ayurveda in the 21st century, please click the subscribe icon. We've got a lot more coming for you.